Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is RVN. If you'd like to see how I created this purple look right here, please continue to watch and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, so we're gonna get started with this makeup look. I already moisturized my face and I primed it also. I already did my foundation. I still haven't done my under eye, and I did my eyebrows and I primed my eyelids. The foundation that I did use today, it's from Bobbi Brown. It's a skin long wear foundation. This one's 16-hour wear, and the color that I use is warm beige. So we're gonna be using this palette right here, the Norvina palette. Sorry, mine's a little dirty, but we're gonna be using this. We're gonna do a very simple look using these shades here. I think I'm going to be doing a little bit more of the purpley shade. So we are going to be using these brushes from Lavish. They come in this cute little pouch. So I'm going to be using the first brush, which is a tapered blending brush. Tapered blending brush. It looks like that. And we're gonna go in with the Love color right there. Take a little bit and make sure you tap the axes off, because Anastasia's eyeshadows do have a lot of fallout. Or at least this palette does. So lightly start on the crease. So it'll be very easy to do. Just blend, blend, blend. Windshield wiper motions. You can do circular motions. Okay, pretty easy. Now we're gonna go in with this other purple shade called, it's called Celestial. Right there. Okay, so go in with that purple. Just start putting it all over the lid. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I'm using the eye shading brush. It looks like that. From Lavish. Now we're gonna go in with a little bit of the drama color. Just a little bit. You can leave it like this, only 2 shades, but I like to always use 3 shades. I feel like it ties in more of the look. Just in the outer corner, a little bit. Don't put too much on your brush, and just a little bit. Start blending it up. creating like a little V. Now we're going to go back, wipe your brush off, but we're going to go back with the tapered blending brush and just blend all of it together. This looks a little bit more seamless. That's it, and then take a wipe. Clean out the edges. So after we do that, we are going to take the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Eyeliner in black. And it's waterproof, and it's not a felt tip, it's a brush tip. You can see it. So we're just gonna draw a little line. Okay, so we're gonna go in with concealer. And I did use my Bobbi Brown corrector, which is this one, Peach Bisque. And take the beauty sponge and you're gonna start blending it out. We're gonna go in with our lashes. These are the Ardell, the 857s. Meanwhile, the glue is getting tacky on the lashes. I'm gonna put mascara. If you don't want to wear lashes, you can just leave it with mascara. Okay, so put your lashes on. So now we're gonna do the bottom lash line, and we're gonna go in with this brown right here. And we're gonna go with the flat definer brush. Go with that pink color. And then you're gonna grab a pencil brush, and this is from Lavish it says pencil, and just smudge the colors together. Blend them. With another lavish brush. This is a brow groomer. I'm gonna use that. We're gonna go in with this color called Dreamer, right there. I'm gonna put that on the brow bone. Carefully put it on. Blend it out with your finger. I'm going to take a little bit of Dreamer also and put it in the tear duct right here. A little bit of mascara, going with the Urban Decay. Some on the bottom lashes. Okay, now we're gonna use contour stick from Morphe. This is the Dimension effect, and effect number 14 is the color. Take beauty sponge, blend it out. And then we're going to take the other color from Wet n Wild. This one's Maple. Call Me Maple, actually. Blend it out. We're going to take Hoola Bronzer with our Real Techniques brush. For our blush, we are going to use this one right here. This one's from Morphe. This is the Blush Trio in Papa Pink. It's the Papa Pink. We're going to go with Free. Then we're gonna take this highlighter from Bobbi, Pink Glow. Then we're gonna go back with our Real Technique brush, blend it out. And for our lips, we are gonna go with this Morphe color, and it's called Taunt. T-A-U-N-T. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with this other lip gloss, and it's called Frost from Morphe. So this is a makeup look, pretty easy. It's pretty easy. Purply, very spraying. If you guys want to see the whole, like me using the other products like the foundation and doing my eyebrows, comment below and let me know. Okay, so that is it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.